Hey guys, it's Kristen from A Mindful Mom, where I get into the kitchen and share with you easy family-approved recipes. Today I'm sharing with you a recipe you're going to love. It's made in less than 30 minutes and it only requires one pot. And best of all, it's something your entire family will beg for again and again. Today I'm making my version of Homemade Hamburger Helper. To get started, we need to brown meat. You can use ground beef, ground turkey, or even ground chicken. I like to use a lean ground sirloin for this recipe, something with like 10% fat and 90% lean. You want to brown up your meat until it's nice and brown and has been broken up into little pieces. Drain off any excess fat if needed. To the same skillet, add in tomato paste and the seasonings. We're going to use paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Mix your tomato paste and seasonings until it evenly coats the brown meat. Add in 8 ounces of tomato sauce and 3.5 cups of low sodium beef stock. Bring that mixture to a boil and then add in 2 cups of elbow noodles. You can use whole wheat elbow noodles, you can use regular elbow noodles. It makes no difference. Turn your heat to medium and simmer until your noodles are tender. About 15 minutes is all it will take. Once your noodles are tender and have absorbed the liquid, you want to finish your homemade hamburger helper with a teaspoon or 2 of Worcestershire sauce. That's really going to just amp the flavors up and just add amazing depth to this homemade hamburger helper. That's it. One pot, super easy, super delicious. It's a kid favorite. And I have to say, it's a mom favorite too, because I can feel good about what's inside of it, and it's super easy to make and clean up. For this recipe, for Homemade Hamburger Helper, and for more family-friendly recipes, be sure to visit amindfulmom.com.